It was a really interesting project. That idea of how we could capture the quality of light, give that life to the building and a changing colour using a ceramic surface. What was really beautiful about a ceramic surface is it has a texture and a grain at a very intimate scale. A ceramic surface with an integrated colour and a glazed surface requires very little maintenance. Where we were using it being on the underside of a very high soffit, access to it afterwards was difficult, so we wanted to find a product that had minimal maintenance over a long period of time. The use of ceramic has a really long history in building. It's not a product that's going to have to be upgraded or replaced in a very short time. So for us, from a sustainability point of view, is that low maintenance and the longevity of that product.